The 2005 Harley-Davidson FLHPI, also known as the Police Road King, was created specifically for law enforcement. Here are three key points about this motorcycle. Being designed for the law enforcement, the FLHPI is a police version of the Harley-Davidson Road King, tailored to meet the needs of law enforcement. It includes features like extra lighting, sirens, and radio systems to support police duties. Behind the 2005 FLHPI is a powerful engine. It's equipped with a twin-cam 88 engine with a 1,442 cc displacement, delivering sufficient power for police work. Its six-speed transmission and classic touring design make it suitable for long rides and highway patrol. Thanks so much for watching. I want to talk real quick about our sponsor, us. A great way to support the channel is by going to our eBay store and ordering parts you need. We ship globally and offer free shipping within the US. We also ship quick and have a wide array of used parts, including parts from this bike. Check out the link at the top of the description for links to this bike's parts, or check out the link a little further down in the description to view our full inventory. Beyond the standard Road King features, the FLHPI is equipped with specialized police gear, such as a pursuit light bar, police radio mount, and extra storage for equipment. The motorcycle is designed to cater to the unique requirements of law enforcement officers while ensuring the comfort and reliability associated with Harley-Davidson bikes.